Welcome to Donald's English Classroom. This CVC puzzle set is great for hands-on and visual spelling practice. With a base vocabulary of 80 CVC words, each vowel set has 16 words with a mix of word families. Each vowel set includes color-coded puzzles, word mats, and letter tiles. There are 4 sets of black and white worksheets for each vowel group following the Say It, Build It, and Write It approach to student practice. Also included are CVC word charts, perfect for your youngest students. The puzzles, word mats, color tiles, and worksheets are ready to print in one PDF file. The bonus word charts are a perfect reference for you and your students, tacked to a classroom board or directly in student notebooks. This activity set is aligned to the ESL textbook Phonics Challenge Book 1. Be sure to check out all the CVC word practice activities by clicking on the links in the description below. Thanks for visiting Donald's English Classroom.